the Global Artist here at e.l.f. Cosmetics, and today I'm going to be taking you through our Poreless Putty Primer. Primers are meant to be like a protective barrier between your skin and the makeup. It's going to help smooth out the texture of the skin. The Poreless Putty Primer has ingredients like squalane. Squalane is a moisture retention ingredient. It also has green tea, which is going to help soothe and calm the skin as well. Every skin tone practically can wear it, from normal, combo to dry skin. If you have an oilier skin type, we recommend using an oil control lotion prior to using this product. So let's hop right to it. So you're going to take, like I said, a pea-size amount, and what you want to do is put it in between your fingers, and you want to warm up the product before putting it on the skin. And when you do put it on the skin, you're going to press it into the skin. I like to start around the nose area because that's where most of us have the problematic area of the larger pores, and then spread it outward. And a really great thing about this product also is that you could prime your lids and your lip. That way the makeup that you put on top will look smooth and last throughout the day as well. So now that we've allowed the primer to set, we're gonna go ahead and put some makeup on to show you that it really smooths and gives her that flawless finish. One thing to mention, even if you don't wear makeup, you can definitely still wear primer if you want to smooth out your pores or even balance any skin issues you may have. So now you have one primer to do it all. Do away with your eyeshadow primer and lip primer, all for $8. Can't beat that. So some people wonder what the difference is between our Poreless Putty Primer and our Poreless Primer, our OG. Besides the differences in texture, it's the ingredients and what it really does for the skin. So our Poreless Primer has tea tree, which is gonna help control like the blemishes, and it's gonna help nourish the skin as well. You have our Poreless Putty Primer, which is really focused on the whole gripping aspect of the makeup. We also have many different ones out there for different skin types. If you have some dry skin, go with our hydrating. If you have some dullness to your skin and you want some luminosity, go with our illuminating. If you have some pimples on your face, you want to go with our blemish control primer. So if you have combination skin like me, where I'm oily in the T-zone and dry everywhere else, go with our mineral primer. If you have some redness to the skin or some rosacea, a little irritation, our tone adjusting primer, this is going to help even out that skin tone. If you have some yellowness or sallowness to the skin or even dullness and you want to brighten it up, use our Brightening Lavender primer. You don't know, but now you know, girls and boys. The proof is in the putty, guys.